Hi guys! So today is the last one of the year. It kind of makes me sad a little bit that the year is coming to an end, but also when I'm looking back at the year, at the 2019, I feel so thankful. I'm so thankful to all of you for all of your support, for great comments on my videos, for the nice words on my recipes, and the most exciting thing, or the thing that I get most excited about, is when I hear when you've tried a recipe, how you've liked it and how your families have liked it. That's the thing that really makes me smile, and that's exactly why I'm doing this. I want to give that feeling of happiness to all of you when you surprise your family with delicious recipes. So today is the last video of the year. It's for some delicious cocktails that you can make for the new year, and I would like to say cheers for an amazing 2020. I hope you enjoyed this cocktail tutorial. I'm holding one of them. It's the cranberry one, and it's really yummy. I wanted to say that the idea for the cocktails, well, after my first video that I shared just after or before, now I don't remember, but I shared it around Christmas, and I got a comment from Jay Smooth, one of my very supportive subscribers, who told me that I should do more of these cocktail videos. So I thought, why not? And that's why I'm making one just before the new year, so you have some ideas for the new year. And I'm gonna see how you guys like these. So if you do like these, then don't forget the thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you think about these videos, and maybe I will make it a regular thing. Again, I would like to say to all of you a big thank you for your support, for being here, and for making me smile every single day. Just before I leave, I would like to remind you that if you're new to my channel, then here's the subscribe button and you can subscribe over there, and if you tap the bell, then you won't miss any of the new videos that I have prepared for you in 2020. Thank you for watching my video, and Happy New Year!